So Tropical Storm Francine, new out of the 11 a.m. update, formed in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. It's moving very slowly, that forward speed only at 5 miles per hour off to the north-northwest. And we've had those tropical storm force winds for a while now, but what we was really missing was that well-defined center of circulation. So the hurricane hunters went out over the past few hours and went to go investigate this, at this point, potential tropical cyclone 6. And at this point, they were finding those winds still 30, 40, 50 miles per hour, but they also found that missing piece to see a named storm, which is that well-defined center. So now we have checked that off, but where we go from here is it's going to be in a very favorable environment for intensification. So we do expect this to become a hurricane by tomorrow, and there is a small window where we could see rapid intensification closer to that 24 to 48 hour period, and then it will run out of time because it will make landfall, expected to by Wednesday night as a hurricane, likely in Louisiana. And then from there, the moisture and those gusty winds pull directly north. So by no means will we see anything in southwest Florida. But unfortunately, where we're seeing those tropical storm watches in play, like Lake Charles, and in Louisiana, those hurricane watches in play, this is an area that has been a hot spot for some of these hurricanes over the last 5 years. You remember Laura and Delta making landfall generally in this region back in 2020. So just an unfortunate spot. The main impact we are going to be seeing is that storm surge concern in Louisiana, but also heavy rain is going to be a huge concern, as well as hurricane force winds. Look at those rainfall totals, potentially anywhere from about 6 to 9 inches of rain, and we'll continue to update you on their forecast here. But the big takeaway is no impacts here for southwest Florida. It would be nice if that was the only thing to watch, though. We've got two other areas, not named storms, but areas that do have a medium chance for development over the Atlantic basin. 60% chance for development for both of these clusters of showers and thunderstorms, but these are far out into the basin. We're going to continue to watch those very closely. Now that we have crossed out Francine, the next names on the list would be Gordon, followed by Helene. So lots to watch, but nothing that poses any threat to Florida.